Hello, my dear students. Hi, how are you? Today we will start the new chapter, circular measure. Circular measure. We will discuss in this section about the circular measure. First of all, I will discuss about the circle. That what is circle? Set of all such points in a plane. Set of all such points in a plane which are equidistant from a given fixed point. Then set of points will be a circle, and that fixed point is called center of the circle. Then these set of points called circle, and the fixed point is center of circle. Have you ever thought about this, that complete one revolutions making 360-degree angle? Okay, in this section, to measure the angle, to measure any angle, we will not use degree, we will use here radian measure. Okay, both are the unit to measure the angle. Okay, degree, radian, some other units are there, but here we will use only the radian. Okay, you know this complete one revolution is 360-degree. In this one quadrant 90, the next quadrant again 90, then again 90, again 90, and 4 into 90 will be 360. This complete revolution is of 360-degree. Now I will discuss the relation between degree and radian. If you are taking here this length of this arc, okay, circumference that we are saying, okay, length of, when we are joining all these set of points, we are getting circumference of the circle, and this complete arc is having length that we are saying circumference, will be equal to 2 pi r. But here we will take unit circle. Its radius will be here 1, and this central angle, this we will take here in radian. The central angle we will take here in radian. Unit circle means is having radius 1 meter, centimeter, unit, whatever you can use. If this circle is with unit radius, then we can take it 2 pi. Then this complete revolution in radian will be 2 pi. As in degree we are taking 360, in radian we can take it 2 pi. Now from this expression, from this relation, we will get the relation between degree and radian, and then after that we'll discuss about that how we can convert radian to degree and degree to radian. That we will discuss here in this session. Now first of all we'll discuss about pi, that what is pi here. Pi is the ratio between circumference of circle to its diameter. Pi, you can write here circumference of circle divided by diameter of circle. Divided by diameter of circle. This ratio is pi. Okay, and this is the fixed value in every circle. Ratio of circumference of circle, ratio between circumference and diameter of circle will be a fixed value, a constant value, that is pi, and you know that is equal to 3.1415 and so on. That is an irrational number. Now here, how we can convert radian to degree and degree to radian. As this 360 is in degree, this is the symbol for this degree, and for radian we are using RAD. But when we are using pi in any angle, pi is there, then no need to write radian, okay, because pi is mean it is always in radian. Suppose this 360 we are shifting to the other side. This side will be 1 degree and this side here is 2 pi divided by 360, then 1 degree will be equal to 2 cancel with this 360, pi divided by 180 radian. It means 1 degree is equal to pi divided by 180 radian. When we will convert from degree to radian, we will multiply that degree with pi divided by 180. Suppose here we are converting 30 degree into radian. Suppose 30 degree into radian. Then 30 multiplying by pi divided by 180, and that will be, we will cancel this one, that will be pi divided by 6 radian. 30 degree is equal to pi divided by 6 radian. In this way we can convert from degree to radian. Now how we can convert from radian to degree? As here we are getting this relation, 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Throughout by 2 you can divide. Then this will be pi and this will be 360 divided by 2 will be 180 degree. If you are shifting this pi to the other side, this side will be only 1 radian, and other side is 180 divided by pi. This is in degree. When we want to convert from radian to degree, then you can multiply it with 180 divided by pi. Now here one example I am giving you. Suppose I want to convert here 2 pi radian into degree. Then 2 pi multiplying by 180 divided by pi. Here you can see this pi cancel with pi. 180 into 2 is 360 degree. 2 pi radian is 360 degree. In this way we can convert. Again I am revising how we can convert from radian to degree and degree to radian. When we want to convert from degree to radian, we'll multiply pi divided by 180. And when we want to convert from radian to degree, then we have to multiply that radian with 180 divided by pi. Now we are going to start exercise 8.1. In question number 1, you have to convert different degrees into radian. Here in question number 1, first part here is 10 degree. How we can convert 10 degree into radian? 10 degree will be equal to 10 into pi divided by 180. That will be pi divided by 18 radian. Okay. Then 210 degree. We are converting here 210 degree into radian. 210 into pi divided by 180. Now we'll simplify here. After simplification, you can see here this 0 can cancel with this one. With 7 3s are 21 and 6 3s are 18. 7 pi divided by 6 radian. 210 degree will be 7 pi divided by 6 radian. Now in question number 2 in exercise 8.1, convert radian to degree. First part here is in question number 2, pi divided by 2. We are converting pi by 2 into degree, then pi divided by 2 into 180 divided by pi. When we have to convert from radian to degree, then we'll multiply with 180 divided by pi. Then you can see here this pi cancel with pi, 180 divided by 2 will be equal to 90 degree. Pi divided by 2 radian is equal to 90 degree. And here the last part of question number 2 is 9 pi divided by 2 radian is how much degree? 9 pi divided by 2 into 180 divided by pi. Now only we will simplify here. This pi cancel with pi, this 2 cancel with this 180, 92s are 180. Then 9 into 90 will be 810 degree. It means 9 pi divided by 2 will be equal to 810 degree. Next question is question number 3. Here in question number 3, write each of these angles in radian correct to 3 significant figures. Right? Correct to 3 significant figures in radian. This first part here is in degree, okay, 32 degree. How we can convert into radian, and then we have to write in 3 significant figures. This 32 degree we will convert into radian. 32 into pi divided by 180. 32 into pi divided by 180, what answer is coming here? 0.5585. 0.5585. But he's saying write it into 3 significant figures. Okay, then in 3 significant figures we will go only up to here in this up to this 8. Okay, then next to this digit we will check, is this digit 5 or more than 5? Then we will increase 1 in this last digit, this one. If this digit, the 4th digit, is less than 5, then we can remove that digit, then no increment will be there. As this is 5, okay, then we have to add 1 in the next digit. It will be in 3 significant figure, 0.559. As this was 8, we are increasing 1 in this one, then this will be 9. Now other parts are similar to this one, you can do by yourself. Now in the next question, question number 4, write each of these angles in degree correct to 1 decimal place. First we have to convert in degree and then we'll write to 1 decimal places. As this is 1.3 radian. 1.3 radian we will convert into degree. Okay, then that will be 1.3 into 180 divided by pi. 1.3 into 180 divided by pi, that will be equal to 74.484. 74.484 in degree. Okay, now we have to write here to 1 decimal place. After decimal, only 1 digit we can write here. Okay, then these next 2 digits we will remove. As we are removing this 8 and 4, after this 4, here is 8. 8 mean more than 5. 5 are more than 5, then we will increase 1 in this digit, the last digit. Then it will be 74 point, instead of 4 here we will write 5. Then 1.3 radian here is 74.5 degree.